Today's just been all over the place.
We've been in Munich too damn long.
Look at you. Mechanic Bay.
The good thing about driving at night is no traffic.
So yeah, so if we need to pull over because our car is getting a little hot, then we can park in the garage. We got schnitzel. Today is Friday, August 18th. It is 11:34 right now. On the agenda, we are supposed to be going to two museums, the Dutchess Museum Island and then the BMW Museum. But first we got to get some pancakes, we got to get some breakfast, and then also I wanted to go to the store. Y'all know those bucket hats, and then they be having like the net over it on the face and stuff. I told y'all about yesterday, like I left early because of all them bugs and bees. Like I don't know, like I be trying my best to not attract them, but they still be coming at me. So I might be here looking crazy, so if you see me, mind your business. And yeah, I'm about to go to the store, see if I can find one of those things and wear that, and probably my jacket, even though it's supposed to be like 80 degrees. But they say you're supposed to be wearing a long sleeve and long pants anyways to protect from the sun. But yeah, we're about to go to the store and get some food. I bought this hat from, where did this go? Oh, H&M for €2.99 euro. I'm looking at some sunglasses right now. I left mine at home in the hotel. That's what I mean. So I don't know, we might not go to both museums today. We might just go to one. We are in here shopping. We are in Primark. Now we're going up the Escalada. I want to see the men bucket hats. Oh, they probably got something like a little bit in every place. Oh, they got teenage. Look, what the heck? Look, they got Pizza Hut. The Pizza Hut bucket hat. Funny. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Krusty Burger.
That is Simpsons, right? Yeah. Shirts, €8. Oh wow. Dragon Ball Z.
Let's take my orange hoodie and give me another orange one.
That looks nice.
Let me take my orange hoodie.
How much is it? It's €20. They look good though. Oh, this is reversible. That's pretty cool. Pizza Hut and then Turtles. Proud. Cool. Blue. Oh, that one's cute, but I just don't want to be so bright.
What? They only got this bright ass one.
Bright. Don't really want no bright orange. That's the only. €9. I like the string. That's what I'm looking for, the string. They can use some sunglasses. Baby Yoda. So cute. What is it? Oh my gosh, it's a water bottle. That's cool.
How do you drink it?
Babe, I don't think you drink it. I think you put it on your aches and pains.
Oh.
I could be wrong. But I really think that's what it's for.
That's kind of cool, right?
It's so cute. Is it?
So no baby Yoda food?
But it's, what am I gonna do with it? It's so cute though. I got heating. €12. I got heating pad. Oh, I think this one's one too.
Yep.
Water bottle, Stitch. Yeah. He definitely wear this, 100%. Look at this one. I just like the color. I like that one. That's your size? I know you just look at the hanger. Did you look at the shirt? It's something on the back of it. Look at another one. See that stain? We are in TK Maxx. Looking for another hat with this strap. I found this orange hat, but I don't know how I feel about it. I'm gonna try the green one. I think this one's a little bit more neutral. Sparkling tea. What about the orange one?
This says sparkling tea.
Sparkling Lipton. Is that's mineral water?
This is lemon.
And
this is probably
Coca-Cola. Just regular Coca-Cola?
I'm guessing this sparkling water. Yeah.
Yep. It's literally 2:20 and we still have not eaten breakfast. We are about to go to another store to see if I can find a net, and then we're gonna get some breakfast so I can walk around and not like feel as terrified as I am now. I still might be scared though. I am in Luffy Pancakes here in Munich. When I tell y'all, doors wide open, and there's bees everywhere. I'm terrified. I look crazy, but these pancakes, they good though, but I'm just scared. I'm the only one in here acting crazy, looking crazy. If you see me look acting crazy, mind your business. I'm just a little scared. People looking at me like I'm crazy. All right, we are safe. I am back in the Jeep. I felt like I was fighting a war in there. I was the only one swatting, looking crazy. I'm like, they gonna be. It's flying under them. They good, flying on the table. They completely fine. And I'm the only one that's looking crazy. Like it ain't nothing to them. Like it's normal. I don't mess with any of those things. But look, I'm sweating. I had this hood on in here. It's like 87 degrees out here. I'm sweating. Oh my goodness. This is the last time I book a vacation sometime. When time it is. That's why I don't want to live nowhere hot. I refuse. I don't like it. I don't want it. Cold. I like winter. The time is currently 5:35. We did not go to neither museums today. We might go to the BMW museum on our way home, checking out of the hotel, and then go to the BMW museum. Today was very chaotic, and it was my fault because, I wanted to run to all these different stores. I wanted to get another hat. I wanted to get the net to go around. Couldn't find it. They didn't have it. And then we just ate Luffy. Those pancakes they were pretty good. I think they were pretty sweet. They could have been a tiny bit sweeter, and I want them to be much sweeter. And I'm gonna put a little bit of syrup on it, but it was good. I didn't know that little cafe, it was pretty much outside. And y'all already know I don't even like being outside like that. I did not know that cafe was gonna be outside. I thought it was gonna be closed inside. The doors open, everybody sitting outside near the trees, bees flying around, just landing and I mean, they ain't biting nobody, but I don't want them that close to me. Germany, y'all got these windows without screens. In the United States, we got screens. I can't deal with it. I'm terrified, Nope. But right now we are back at the same mall I got this hat at because we're trying to kill some time. Everything is gonna close early, but I think the mall closed at like 8 though. But everything else closed like 5 and 6. So we got enough time to just go in here, I guess, walk around, maybe get a snack or something sweet. That little thing right there is a mirror, so you can see. That's that same bug. Dang, what you doing? Sleep? Same bug from earlier. We about to go to the burger spot. 2 minutes down the way. I want an avocado burger. They close at 11. Is it open? Okay, cool. I'm hungry. Babe got McDonald's earlier, but I wasn't hungry earlier, so that's why I didn't get anything to eat. But I'm hungry now. I think that's, yeah, that gotta be the bus station, train station, all the above. But I got me a hamburger. We are walking at night. I'm thinking, oh, it'd be better. There are no bees. You know, freaking, You'll hear that noise? Just listen. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. But look at this dark road we gotta go down. It's dark. But I'm about to run. So let's go, Bubba. Ah! Come on, let's go. No? Where are you? Made it to the car. Kinda jogged the way back. That hamburger smelled good and it looked good. Looked just like the picture. There's stuff still in it? I can't really see. It's still hot, you can definitely feel it.
There's a little bit in there, which is a good sign. Let me check my keys. I might. That's okay, man. I might have to work that.
Huh?
Look at that. I got the tool that I need.
Thank God, good.
So what I'm gonna do is
It's hot. It's okay.
Mm-hmm. I gotta loosen it up a little more. I can loosen up my hand.
Which way?
To the right. Are you ready? That's on there. Right here. So good thing you seen that. Look at you. Mechanic bay.
Good morning. Today is August 19th, 7:57 a.m. This is the first time we woke up early at all. This is the day that we leave. I'm ready to go. Oh my goodness. Didn't really get that much sleep. We went to sleep at like 1 something or 2. But right now, like I said, we getting ready to go. Oh my gosh, I'm so upset because I started my monthly and I completely forgot to bring pads, and now Lenara has to go across the street to the store to go buy me some from the German store. And I don't even know what kind they have. It's looking like he made it to the store. So much construction. It's ridiculous. They're building a hotel on both sides of this hotel. Babe's back. A box of pads. Okay. Extra long. Good. Never had them. Let's see what they look like. Bags packed. Bags. Bags. Oh wow. Good, good. Just ready to get home. This is our last elevator ride down. We gotta go. The checkout desk looking crazy, but it's okay.
Just go put this
Go to the car first. Okay. We are stopped right now. I am shaking because the car is overheating and we just only drove 5 or 10 minutes down the way. We got 4 hours to get home. We got a gas station now. Need to get some coolant. It leaked out yesterday. Different stores. Currently in the mall, just literally chilling, charging my phone. Yeah. Current time, 7:54. We are still in the mall in Munich. Did I say the date? Saturday, August 19th, right? Yeah. The day we're supposed to be leaving Munich. We just came from getting some necessities. Still in the mall. It's beautiful. I'm gonna go Primark. How long have we been here? We're here since like 12 or 1. And it really don't feel like it though. I don't feel like we've been here.
Gift card?
Hmm?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Go pay whenever it's your time.
You want it?
Mm-hmm.
Today's just been all over the place. It really has. There you go. Hey, car. Took a nap earlier.
That's a good thing about driving at night is no traffic.
So yeah, so if we need to pull over because our car is getting a little hot, and we can. We just get to the gas station. Bought us some McDonald's, something to eat. Got us some McD's, McDonald's. I got my little bag I'm carrying.
Oh, time. That's so close.
It's so empty in this parking garage.
So you saying I shouldn't keep GP?
I'm saying I want GP to get us back home nice and safe. That's what I'm asking.
Then after that?
You know, let's focus on one thing at a time. whole thing of barbecue sauce in the vehicle. Like, anyhow, we're gonna be living out of the car for the next 8+ hours. So we had to get essentials. Right? We can put this up at night, so if nobody looking up here, can get the rest up. A window sock. It's literally 12:49 a.m. We are parked on some creepy road.
Bilder Steinerstrasse.
Yeah, that's weird. We still in freaking Munich. Yeah, there's no way we're gonna get home in a orderly, timely fashion. So we gave in and we called a tow company. They will be getting us tomorrow at 8 is what he said. So I guess we're gonna find a hotel or something, somewhere to go tonight. I'm tired. We barely got any freaking sleep yesterday. Today's just been freaking crazy. This whole week been crazy. We're supposed to have been home yesterday. We were supposed to be home. I just want to go home.
Oh, we'll be home in 24 hours.
He's gone. There he is. He literally keeps going around in circles. My battery keeps it's about to die. Oh, you can see it.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Look, it's so creepy. Oh my gosh, it disappeared. I look so red. Right now, still August 20th, if I didn't say that. 10:47 in the morning. We're still in the vehicle. We've been at this spot since what time? 5 a.m.
Yeah, 5:30.
We couldn't find a hotel last night and was running around. Nobody had a space available. So we just stopped and slept, obviously, for a little bit. And then we moved in. That's why we're here now. And now we are trying again to find a hotel to sleep in, or just, I don't know, just shower for like 4 hours. Because the tow truck is supposed to come later on tonight at 8. I wish we can go back to the mall. But it's closed. Today's Sunday. We got lucky with a tow truck company that works on Sunday, because usually almost everything is closed on Sunday in Germany, except for a few stores here and there. Look, I'm sweating. It's hot. I got this little shade up with the window down because like it's bees everywhere. We made it to Super 8. This is the door. Put your card in there. They got a lot of scuff marks everywhere. They better be like, you did this. I got proof. We did none of this. Everywhere. What is this? Is it a closet? Is anything open? Got your do not disturb. You put your purse here. Does it move? Does it open? No. Hangers. There's me. I don't know what those things are, but we'll get to that in a second. The light. Here's the bathroom. Open just like the other one. All these like glass. It seemed real dusty in here. They ain't had no rooms yesterday, so I feel like every room should be spotless. That's just me. Cause why is there dust in here? That's just how I feel. Right, babe? I wonder what that is. They probably had rooms yesterday. They probably just didn't want to give it to us. You know, y'all know how some people be acting real funny sometimes, like they don't want to do their job. See, look, that's hair all in the shower. Look at that. Hair. What is this? Nothing? Oh, the glass to the bed, I guess. Shower looks the same as the other one. Like all of them, actually. Our apartment looks like that. Towels. Babe, what's these things? These things. I'm scared. Okay. The other one must do the same, but yeah, whatever. Don't really need it. Ceilings are really tall. You gonna watch me shower? You watch me shower today? Ooh, this is little over here. For $76 freaking dollars. Is this more or cheaper? Oh, 67. I thought you said 76. They got the little house phone like back in the day. What's that? Oh, it's a hair dryer in there. And nothing else. Nothing down there. What is this, a lamp? It's probably a lamp. Got your notes.
I like how we drove all around.
Water.
For the second to come back here.
Right. We drove a heck of a lot. There you go, some complimentary water. I don't want that. Don't touch that. We need everything like this. I guess this is a chair. Maybe we're gonna put our luggage up there. And a safe. And just some more space. Maybe some stuff down there. Tiny little light. Oh, the bed looks clean. Let me know what it looks like under there. Looks clean. No roaches, no rats, no bugs. We about to take our shower. Oh shit. Spoke too soon. Look at that. Look at that skeeter. Freaking thing. Anyway, just the TV. So we found us a hotel. Yeah, it had like 4 freaking nets in here. I killed 1, no, I killed 2, so I'm 2 for 4. Yeah, we just took our showers and now we are still waiting on the tow truck to get here. I think they're probably like an hour out. Yeah, we've been in Munich too damn long. Like, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go freaking home. Man, it's been so hectic. This whole trip. It's been a lot. It's been a lot. Yeah, I'm just ready to, I'm ready to get home. I know he is too. I'm about to pack up. I can't wait to get home and go to sleep. I ain't been asleep about 2 days. I tried some schnitzel. There we go. Schnitzel. For the first time here. I'll tell you one thing that is good. That pork schnitzel, that was good. Chicken was okay. I think we had chicken today. He said it was pork, but I think it was chicken. I don't know. But they put some, yeah, turkey. They put this sauce on it. This sauce, I don't even know what this is. I can't even pronounce it. But it was good. It was like a spicy mustard. They bread is always fresh. Delicious. Yeah, try you some schnitzel. I've been here about 2 years and it's the first time trying it and like I'm going back. I swear they sell them at like every gas station, just about. They're always in there. You want schnitzel, schnitzel, schnitzel with some bread and some mayo or some ketchup. But the mayo one, that sandwich, that one was good. I got me some Naturlish mineral water. And when you shake it, almost fell. When you that's not very nice. when you shake it, it's like pop. No, it didn't feel that much. I'm gonna show you. Honestly, I'm glad I tried it because I know not to get it again. It's not good. Ugh.
Stop following.
Did you try it?
What?
The mineral water? Would you like to try the mineral water?
Sure.
Right, give everyone your honest review. Tell them it's good or it's good.
That's how you know it's gonna be good. You heard it? That's how you know it's gonna be good when you know what I'm saying? But it's funny if I just put it on the camera.
No.
It tastes like super flat Sprite.
Gross.
Yep.
Current time 3:39 a.m. August 21st, and we are finally home. So happy, so sleepy. We're really about to just pass out. I had to let y'all know we made it home safely. Finally get to get in my own bed. I don't know if you could tell how tired I am. We are so freaking tired, but we are just really happy to be home. Yeah, I'm about to go to bed.